In colonial America, no city rivaled Philadelphia's energy. A bustling center of trade, ideas, and diversity, it drew merchants, craftsmen, thinkers, and leaders from across the colonies. With its spirit of enterprise, tolerance, and debate, Philadelphia stood at the heart of the 13 colonies, where commerce thrived and the future of a nation began to take shape. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history in the novel The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In the autumn of 1774, Philadelphia stirred before dawn. Church bells rang, wagons rattled over cobblestones. It was the largest city in the colonies, and a crossroads of empire. Families lived close, brick row houses, shared courtyards, crowded rooms. Children worked early, mothers ran households, fathers balanced trade, politics, and survival in an uncertain world. Religion shaped daily life. Quakers, Anglicans, Presbyterians, Lutherans, and Catholics worshipped within blocks of one another, rare tolerance in an age of division. Dockworkers unloaded ships, printers spread ideas, blacksmiths, bakers, and seamstresses labored 6 days a week. Enslaved and free black residents worked beside immigrants from across Europe. British soldiers were fewer here, but politics filled the air. Taverns buzzed with arguments, newspapers passed hand to hand. Everyone sensed something was coming. Into this ordinary life came extraordinary men, delegates arriving discreetly. No parades, no announcements, just travelers renting rooms, listening, watching. As families ate supper and candles burned low, nearby rooms held whispered debates about liberty, rights, and resistance, while the city slept. Philadelphia didn't yet know it was hosting the birth of a nation. But in 1774, everyday life continued, just before everything changed.